Kini kalong ka Khubor, kabang ako banay, hakarukom jong kajing ay jimut. Hagibadi bat jingiakhih bat ba persya ya ka sarkar. Bat nga ko aman sedang da kajingkali. Bat kajingkali kalong bali ba ki jingiakhih ki bajai-jai. Kilong ki bakhlain bat ki balaban penpoy ni syakathong jong kajingjok. Kadauhi kalong bala ringi jet ban penong ye ki jingiakhih ki balaban penmi ye ki jingim saw ki jing klumar kanong ka kabu ka bakraw ye ka sarkar ba kan ker na ki jingkit kli ka sarkar kan general comment chikade bala ki jingiakhih ki kot no tang ha ki jing plumar but on katap no ru ya ki mat ki badai bani kren ki badai bani kun ki bakai sarkar kan hap juba hakaba ki briu ki ne kren no ye ki wipat ki benta kum ki jinge ki jing shapting ki jing red sim ki jing penrem ki bami na kini ki jing plumar ha ki jingiakhih kumta kanong kababha shibon laring ipin kina bagi jingiakhih ki bangi pelong persya ek sarkar kinum thau jingkumar namar kanong rukalat ka kabu yikiri shim kabu bakin pinmi jingkumar knaban pinput nam yaki bakhot yaki jingiakhih ngamla ru klem dai kublik kerpang yakin ngelam jong ka khasi students union ki ba kloy ban penpau kumba kila penpau haki kot Khubor baki pedeng ya ki jing kentho ki jing wo daw ki jing wo dong haki bedi bat kani ka jingja ka blami hakani ka sing ka bakila penong ya ki jingiakhih wat lada kela penshai na du singi baningkong ba ka jingiakhih jengki kanong ka bajai-jai nga penrem juru ye ki briu ki bashim kabu ban penmi jingkumar hakani ka jingiakhih but ka dauhi ka ba penong bakini ka jingkumar kan mi ka dena marba ka sarkar kala bakla bat kamshim na penbiang iki bor pahara ki babiang wat hadin bakil tip bagandon kani ki jingiakhih lar ka sarkar kan jin la penbiang iki bor pahara kinong shim kabu kinumi ola ban penmi iki jing plumar aka juk opon nge penrem jur yaki seng kali kamai ki bana asam ki bala pelong ye ka jingiakhih persya ai ki jingja but bakata ka jingiakhih ki jingki kalong penban kum ka jing pen ibor ka pamia hap dor bat ka i ka belaja hakani kalong ba ka jingi kini kalong ka Khubor ka bang ko banai hakani ka por ka pamenta. This is Bah Ardent Sngap, President of the Voice of the People Party. In this video, I would like to give a kind of an advisory statement as far as the movement and protest against the government is concerned. And I would like to begin with a question. And the question is, why non-violence form of agitation and demonstration is far more better than any other kind of agitations? The reason is that when we choose for a violent means of protest, we should remember that it will always benefit the government. the government will be very happy to see that every agitation turns violent, so that it will get the opportunity to hide behind the law and order situation. Real problems will be swept under the carpet, and people will no longer discuss about genuine demands that the government should address. They will instead discuss about problem arises out of the agitation, fear that grips the minds of the people, condemnations, so on and so forth. It will also give a chance to vested interest to create problem and thereby give a bad name to the organizer and the state as a whole. I would also like to appreciate the leadership of the Khasi Students' Union for their maturity when they clearly stated in the media that they are willing to accept criticisms in connection with what happened on their protest day, despite the fact that they had made a very clear announcement that their rally protest will be a peaceful one. And also at the same time, I would like to condemn the anti-social elements who took advantage of the situation and create trouble, leading to the breakdown of law and order in the state. Another point that I would like to mention is the failure of the government to provide adequate security and to beef up security on the protest day. And I would also like to condemn the Commercial Vehicle Association of SAM, who have reacted disproportionately to what happened in Meghalaya. Thank you.